right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash my hair with the Cocoa Wash. This contains coconut milk and apple cider vinegar. So whenever I'm going 2.5 weeks without washing my hair, this is the perfect product for those in between wash days because it definitely removes any buildup that I may have. The next step in this line is to follow up with the Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. And this is enriched with coconut oil and avocado, so it definitely stops any breakage that you may have and it adds softness and shine to your hair. All right, after allowing my deep conditioner to sit in for 5 minutes, I'm gonna follow up with the next step in this line, which is the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. And I'm going to be applying this buttercream on every single section of my hair. And I'm gonna make sure that I do that from roots to tips. I just love how moisturizing and how hydrating this sealant is. And then I'm gonna follow up by just going ahead and blowing my hair out. And I am using like cool to warm heat, nothing high, but I definitely want to make sure that I hit it with a cool shot just to make sure that we keep that moisture in there. And I'm gonna just continue those same steps on the remaining sections of my hair. Again, I'm gonna apply the Buttercream Moisture Sealant to my hair from roots to tips, and then I'm just gonna simply blow it dry. All right, you guys, now that my hair is blown dry, I'm gonna be adding a couple of decorative braids on each side of my head. And I'm going to be sealing those braids in with my Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. You guys know how much I love this jelly. This is perfect just to add to my braids to make sure that they stay in place and no flyaways are showing. So I love this jelly because it's sulfate free, it's paraben free, it's enriched with coconut oil. You can use it on dry styles, wet styles for your wash and goes. It truly is like an all-purpose styler. So yes, I'm going to be applying these braids, but before I braid it back, I'm going to be applying some of this jelly to my hair just to ensure that I get nice slick braids. And as you guys can see here, I have added my braids on both sides of my hair. And now I'm gonna go back in with that Curl Boss to set the rest of my hair. And I'm gonna be doing that with 2-strand twists. So I'm gonna apply a small amount of the jelly, not enough to revert my hair completely back, but enough to, you know, get those ends nice and saturated so that we get a nice curl on the ends, and enough to where I will get some great definition. So I'm just gonna go on each section of my hair and I am going to apply the curl jelly, the Curl Boss, and 2-strand twist my hair. So you guys can watch and see how I do this. So once I am done twisting, I'm just gonna let it dry. A couple of hours is good enough because we didn't use a lot of product to set it. And once it's dry, as you guys can see, I have added some bobby pins into my hair. That's just to keep the root of my hair from puffing up. So that's why those were there. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unravel my hair, and you guys see the definition, honey. This is a 2-hour set using the curling jelly, and look at the definition. Okay, it gives me so much definition and I love it. But it's not one of those like gels. It's a jelly. It's not like a hard gel where it's gonna, you know, make your hair super hard. My hair is so soft and fluffy and movable, as you guys can see. So once I have unraveled all of my twists, I'm gonna go ahead and separate a little bit more and basically get the height and the volume that I want. You guys know I love to pick my hair out, so I'm just gonna take my pick and I'm just going to be raising those roots to give myself the volume that I'm looking for, and I'm just gonna shape my hair into the shape that I want it. So you guys know that it's festival season, and why not add a touch, a pop of something to your hair to just make it more festive? So I'm gonna be adding this gold string to my hair, and I'm basically weaving it in and out of my braids. And I just thought this was so cute and so appropriate for the time point. We have a lot of festivals coming up, so I just thought, yes, let me give them some ideas on what they can do to their hair in festival season. So yeah, I got this gold string from my local beauty supply store, and I just added this on both sides of my hair. And that is pretty much it, you guys. That is the style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the style down below in the comment section. Also, let me know if you've tried the coconut cream collection from Aunt Jackie's. I absolutely love this collection of products. Check the description box on where you can find these products, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!